Okay, hello there, I'm Matteo from Tech Travel Geeks. Recently you may have seen our videos of the unboxing of the Huawei P20 Pro and the Honor 10, both very blue and shiny devices from Huawei and Honor. Today we're going to be unboxing something very different. The box may look very similar to you, but we're celebrating GDPR Day by unboxing a very special thing. Stay tuned, watch to the end of this video and we'll tell you how you too could win what's in this box. As long as you're subscribed to Tech Travel Geeks on YouTube and have left a comment on this video. So, last week we unboxed the Honor 10. Very shiny device, you can see it's very blue. It has great cameras, excellent battery life. It has the new version of MUI with AI for both the camera and other functions in the phone. One of the features it's missing though is a bit of taste. Yeah, it doesn't taste very good. So today we're going to be unboxing something special in a box very, very similar to the Honor View 10. Can you guess what it is? Let's unbox it. So the box says Honor 10. It has an embossed 10 on the front and textured finish. I'm opening the box, it slides up vertically, and oh my, it's an Honor 10 cookie. For the purposes of GDPR, we will let you know that very little, if any, information of yours is stored for this video. Actually none, we have no visibility of it whatsoever. YouTube has all the data. But yes, it's an Honor 10 cookie. Thanks to our friends from Honor for giving us an Honor 10 cookie, and our friends from the phone network in the UK 3 who had this cookie made by Biscuiteers. So in appearance it's slightly smaller, definitely more manageable than the Honor 10 phone, though a little less shiny. Let's see if the Honor 10 cookie beats the Honor 10 in flavour. So I'm going to open the packaging. On the back there's a seal with the Biscuiteers logo. This is the company that made the Honor 10 cookie. We also have a live audience today who are eating something maybe a little less sweet, little bit more savoury. Yuri, Catherine, wave to the cameraman, Lukasz.
Hello.
So thanks to Lukasz for recording this unboxing of the Honor 10 cookie. And here we have the Honor 10 cookie. On the back we have a little bit textured cookie, but on the front it's all colourful. Even a little bit of shininess from the sugar. Got that? A little residue on the front, but I'm okay with that. Are we ready? So I'm going to taste the Honor 10 cookie now. It's good, it's sugary. I can taste the Aurora. It may not have the Honor 10's Aurora finish, but I can definitely taste Aurora. At least I think that's what I'm tasting. Okay, I've swallowed my bite of Honor 10 cookie. There's a bit of an AI aftertaste there. Definitely that Kirin 970 flavour. It's definitely 2018 vintage, so yes, to me the Honor 10 cookie is a 9 out of 10. It doesn't have much cinnamon to it, but it's got the AI, it's got the Aurora finish, it's got a little bit of glitter from the sugar. So there we are, Honor 10 cookie review, 9 out of 10 from Tech Travel Geeks. And we're going to go on and finish this cookie. But if you would like to be with a chance of winning an Honor 10 cookie, subscribe to Tech Travel Geeks on YouTube and leave a comment. Tell us why you should be the one to receive an Honor 10 cookie. Preferably the participant should be in the UK, but our decision and Wilkin Lee of Honor's decision is final on who the winner to this competition is. So let us know who the Honor 10 cookie winner should be, if it's you. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to Tech Travel Geeks on YouTube. And thanks to Lukasz for filming. Bye everybody.